Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to use WhatsApp on computer without a connected iPhone or Android device. WhatsApp has just rolled out multi-device support to all users on iOS and Android, allowing WhatsApp to be used on up to 4 linked devices without users needing to be connected via a smartphone. Previously, the WhatsApp mobile app was required to authenticate an account used on another device such as a computer and used a QR code to link a user account to a web browser or desktop app. While that initial link is still required, the connected phone that has the WhatsApp app on it is no longer required once the link has been made. That all being said, let's learn how to use WhatsApp on computer without a connected iPhone or Android device. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To get going, launch WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device. Then select the settings icon and choose linked devices. Then tap the multi-device beta option and then hit join beta button. Then tap back and select link a device option on the previous screen. Finally, on your Mac or Windows PC, launch the WhatsApp app or head over to web.whatsapp.com in a web browser. Then scan the QR code that appears using your iPhone or Android device. That's all there is to it. After following these steps, your device will be linked and you will be able to access WhatsApp on your computer to send and receive messages and view chat threads without needing to rely on a phone connected to the internet. Bear in mind that it's not currently possible to delete messages or conversation threads from a linked device. It's also worth noting that you can't message or call from web, desktop or portal to users who have an outdated version of WhatsApp on their phone, and you can only have one phone connected to your WhatsApp account at one point of time. Personal calls and messages remain end-to-end encrypted across devices. If you don't use your phone for over 14 days, your linked devices will be disconnected. Lastly, given that the feature is still in beta, WhatsApp cautions that the performance and quality of its service may be affected, although happily users can leave the beta at any time. That's pretty much it. So that's how you can use WhatsApp on your computer without a connected iPhone or Android device. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to enhance your messaging experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.